بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
والذاريات ذروا فالحاملات وقرا فالجاريات يسرا فالمقسمات أمرا إنما توعدون لصادق وإن الدين لواقع والسماء ذات الحبك إنكم لفي قول مختلف يؤفك عنه من أفك قتل الخراصون الذين هم في غمرة ساهون يسألون أيان يوم الدين يوم هم على النار يفتنون ذوقوا فتنتكم هذا الذي كنتم به تستعجلون.
By those that winnow with a winnowing, and those that bear the burden of the rain, and those that glide with ease upon the sea, and those who distribute blessings by command, lo, that wherewith ye are threatened is indeed true, and lo, the judgment will indeed befall, by the heaven full of bath. Lo, ye forsooth are of various opinions concerning the truth. He is made to turn away from it who is himself averse. Accursed be the conjecturers, who are careless in an abyss. They ask, when is the day of judgment? It is the day when they will be tormented at the fire. And it will be said unto them, taste your torment which ye inflicted. This is what ye sought to hasten.
إن المتقين في جنات وعيون آخذين ما آتاهم ربهم إنهم كانوا قبل ذلك محسنين كانوا قليلا من الليل ما يهجعون وبالأسحار هم يستغفرون وفي أموالهم حق للسائل والمحروم وفي الأرض آيات للموقنين وفي أنفسكم أفلا تبصرون وفي السماء رزقكم وما توعدون فورب السماء والأرض إنه لحق مثل ما أنكم تنطقون.
Lo, those who keep from evil will dwell amid gardens and water springs, taking that which their Lord giveth them, for lo, aforetime they were doers of good. They used to sleep but little of the night, and ere the dawning of each day would seek forgiveness. And in their wealth the beggar and the outcast had due share, and in the earth are portents for those whose faith is sure, and also in yourselves. Can ye then not see? And in the heaven is your providence and that which ye are promised. And by the Lord of the heavens and the earth, it is the truth even as it is true that ye speak.
هل أتاك حديث ضيف إبراهيم المكرمين إذ دخلوا عليه فقالوا سلاما قال سلام قوم منكرون فراغ إلى أهله فجاء بعجل سمين فقربه إليهم قال ألا تأكلون فأوجس منهم خيفة قالوا لا تخف وبشروه بغلام عليم فأقبلت امرأته في صرة فصكت وجهها وقالت عجوز عقيم قالوا كذلك قال ربك إنه هو الحكيم العليم.
Had the story of Abraham's honored guests reached thee, O Muhammad, when they came in unto him and said, Peace, he answered, Peace, and thought folk unknown to me. Then he went apart unto his housefolk, so that they brought a fatted calf, and he set it before them, saying, Will ye not eat? Then he conceived a fear of them. They said, Fear not, and gave him tidings of the birth of a wise son. Then his wife came forward, making moan, and smote her face, and cried, A barren old woman? They said, Even so saith thy Lord, Lo, he is the wise, the knower.
صدق الله العظيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
قال فما خطبكم أيها المرسلون قالوا إنا أرسلنا إلى قوم مجرمين لنرسل عليهم حجارة من طين مسومة عند ربك للمسرفين فأخرجنا من كان فيها من المؤمنين فما وجدنا فيها غير بيت من المسلمين وتركنا فيها آية للذين يخافون العذاب الأليم.
Abraham said, And afterward, what is your errand, O ye sent from Allah? They said, Lo, we are sent unto a guilty folk, that we may send upon them stones of clay, marked by thy Lord for the destruction of the wanton. Then we brought forth such believers as were there. But we found there but one house of those surrendered to Allah, and we left behind therein a portion for those who fear a painful doom.
وفي موسى إذ أرسلناه إلى فرعون بسلطان مبين فتولى بركنه وقال ساحر أو مجنون فأخذناه وجنوده فنبذناهم في اليم وهو مليم.
And in Moses too there's a portent, when we sent him unto Pharaoh with clear warrant. But he withdrew, confiding in his might, and said, A wizard or a madman. So we seized him and his hosts, and flung them in the sea, for he was reprobate.
وفي عاد إذ أرسلنا عليهم الريح العقيم ما تذر من شيء أتت عليه إلا جعلته كالرميم. وفي ثمود إذ قيل لهم تمتعوا حتى حين فعتوا عن أمر ربهم فأخذتهم الصاعقة وهم ينظرون فما استطاعوا من قيام وما كانوا منتصرين. وقوم نوح من قبل إنهم كانوا قوما فاسقين.
And in the tribe of Ad there's a portent, when we sent the fatal wind against them. It spared not that it reached, but made it all as dust. And in the tribe of Thamud there's a portent, when it was told them, Take your ease a while. But they rebelled against their Lord's decree, and so the thunderbolt overtook them even while they gazed. and they were unable to rise up, nor could they help themselves. And the folk of Noah aforetime, lo, they were licentious folk.
وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ وَالْأَرْضَ فَرَشْنَاهَا فَنِعْمَ الْمَاهِدُونَ وَمِن كُلِّ شَيْءٍ خَلَقْنَا زَوْجَيْنِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَذَكَّرُونَ فَفِرُّوا إِلَى اللَّهِ إِنِّي لَكُمْ مِنْهُ نَذِيرٌ مُبِينٌ وَلَا تَجْعَلُوا مَعَ اللَّهِ إِلَٰهًا آخَرَ إِنِّي لَكُمْ مِنْهُ نَذِيرٌ مُبِينٌ
We have built the heaven with might, and we it is who make the vast extent thereof. And the earth have we laid out, how gracious is the spreader thereof. And all things we have created by pairs, that haply ye may reflect. Therefore flee unto Allah. Lo, I am a plain warner unto you from Him. And set not any other God along with Allah. Lo, I am a plain warner unto you from Him.
كَذَلِكَ مَا أَتَى الَّذِينَ مِن قَبْلِهِم مِّن رَّسُولٍ إِلَّا قَالُوا سَاحِرٌ أَوْ مَجْنُونٌ أَتَوَاصَوْا بِهِ بَلْ هُمْ قَوْمٌ طَاغُونَ فَتَوَلَّ عَنْهُمْ فَمَا أَنتَ بِمَلُومٍ وَذَكِّرْ فَإِنَّ الذِّكْرَىٰ تَنفَعُ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونِ مَا أُرِيدُ مِنْهُم مِّن رِّزْقٍ وَمَا أُرِيدُ أَن يُطْعِمُونِ
Even so there came no messenger unto those before them, but they said, a wizard or a madman. Have they handed down the saying as an heirloom one unto another? Nay, but they are froward folk. So withdraw from them, O Muhammad, for thou art in no wise blameworthy, and warn, for warning profiteth believers. I created the jinn and humankind only that they might worship me. I seek no livelihood from them, nor do I ask that they should feed me.
إِنَّ اللَّهَ هُوَ الرَّزَّاقُ ذُو الْقُوَّةِ الْمَتِينُ فَإِنَّ لِلَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا ذَنُوبًا مِثْلَ ذَنُوبِ أَصْحَابِهِمْ فَلَا يَسْتَعْجِلُونِ فَوَيْلٌ لِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا مِنْ يَوْمِهِمُ الَّذِي يُوعَدُونَ
Lo, Allah, He it is who giveth livelihood, the Lord of unbreakable might. And lo, for those who now do wrong, there's an evil day like unto the evil day which came before their likes of old. So let them not ask me to hasten on that day. And woe unto those who disbelieve from that their day which they are promised. Their day which they are promised. Their day